The cicadas were deafening. It was eerie and unworldly and perfectly fitting. Their song made my bones vibrate and my brain numb. Each year, just when it feels like the rest of the world has forgotten about my little boy, he becomes alive again on my Christmas tree. I haven't forgotten you, see? I never will. Year of the Cicadas is a narrative-driven VR experience based on a true story of loss. It follows a mother over nearly 2 decades after her child's death, shaped by the emergence of the 17-year cicadas. Players engage through simple actions drawn from real moments. Sound carries the experience across time through ambisonic and spatial audio. What makes this experience different is how sound is used. It's not background. It carries the story.